Tonight, let's make some Cynful Pork Tenderloin with Bourbon Cherry Glaze. Start out by cutting the silverskin off your pork tenderloins. Just get it underneath and started, and lay your knife flat and slide it right down and pull that right off. Then we're going to coat it with some wonderful Garlic Infused Olive Oil. Let's season this generously with salt and pepper and rosemary and thyme. Alright, we've preheated our pan really hot. We're going to sear the outside of this tenderloin on all sides. You want to get it good and brown. It's going to look beautiful. See how nice and seared that is? Look at that crust. Golden brown and delicious. We're doing all sides of this and the ends. Now the package comes with 2 tenderloins, so I did them both. So what we're going to do here is set a temperature probe that allows us to see the temperature while it's cooking. Place the probe on the thickest end and push it in towards the middle. We've set our alert at 140 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to move these over to a foil-covered baking sheet to cook. Now that we've cooked it, it's hit 140. I'm going to go ahead and put the glaze on. Put it on nice and thick. We also have raised our oven temperature to broil. We're going to get this glaze nice and caramelized, but we don't want to burn it, so you're going to need to watch it pretty carefully. Doesn't take very long. The temperature will get to 145 while it's doing this. Alright, we pulled it out of the broiler. It's 145 and now we're slicing it. Slice it into medallions. To serve, place the medallions on your plate and top with the cherry glaze. Here's your recipe. Thank y'all for watching. Please like and subscribe, and y'all have a wonderful evening.